Well, hello to all of our friends. Welcome back to one more video from hyperpix.net. Today, we're back with a text effective StarCraft famous game. So by using this product, you can convert your text or your logos with the less effort into the logo and style of this game, and using all your different projects like posters, banners, social media products, YouTube products, and so many other things which you would like to have a brilliant text style. And also you can surprise and impress your customers and clients with this brilliant style. In less than a few minutes to download. You can just spread hyperpix.net, and by getting the VIP membership, you're going to have an access to this product and so many more of Hyperpix products. Like all of our other products, this one also works great on any other language, and there's no limits for you, and you can use any font or any language, so don't worry about that at all. I'm going to just make it short and get started, so just follow me to the end of the video. So to get started, we just need to right click on the icon of the yellow layer, so we get to this window. Right here we have our text right here in this window, so just with a single double click you can edit your text. The thing that you need to note is that the first characters of each text are a little larger font, and the rest of the characters are a little smaller. So if you want to go with exactly the same style, you need to just do the same thing. Select the first character and type your own text, and the rest of the characters you can type here small. So I'm just going to type StarCraft. Also, I'm going to select these characters and type craft. I just need to customize it a little. I can just edit the distance and gap between the characters, minimize or increase or decrease the gaps. I'm just going to lessen the gap right here, so it's excellent and perfect. It's right in the center without needing to do anything else. We just need to close, click save, and here we go. We get our incredible result. As you see, everything's applied automatically, everything's done automatically, and the result is absolutely amazing and impressive. So let's go work with the rest of the layers. We have the effects folder right here, which is the main style and complications, which we suggest to just ignore this folder. The extrusion section is the 3D effect of your style, which, as you see, by switching it on or off, you're going to be witness of this brilliant 3D depth, which you can just customize. So just leave extrusion on if you want that 3D effect. We have the adjustments folder, which is the settings of the background and the inner shadow, which you see. Also we have the settings of the brightness, the contrast, and the color balance, which you can customize to your likings. So finally we have our true text right here, which with a double click on each one, on the icon of each one, you can just edit and type your ideal text just like this. And also you can move it around, drag it, and you can just remove both text, so you're totally free to make any changes you want. Finally we have the background folder, which in the background we have this brilliant mild light, which doesn't play a very important role, but you can just use it and go with it. So if you like to have a transparent, all you need to do is just switch off the background folder, and from the adjustments just switch off the inner shadow, and as you see, our text turns out in an incredible transparent, and allows you to easily get a PNG outcome and use it wherever you want and have so much fun. So thanks so much for watching this video. As usual, and like always, make us happy with your likes and supports. If you like our channel, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit the bell. So to download this product, just refer to hyperpix.net and get the VIP membership. So thanks for watching. Bye till one more video.